guys, so I hope you guys can see that I'm done with like most of my makeup, and this is where you do reverse contouring. So what is contouring? Contouring means adding shadows to your face, and reverse contouring is just the reverse of it. It's like highlighting your face. So instead of adding depth, we are going to highlight the areas where we need more light. So we can give an illusion of contoured face, but in a much better way. If you don't like using cool toned cream colors on your face, because sometimes it makes you look a bit more dull and dead, it's better to use do reverse contouring, which is like my favorite thing to do when I'm doing my makeup. So let's get into it. I have already done my makeup, my foundation, concealer and everything is done. So I'll just quickly get into the contouring. I'm going to use a loose powder. Pick a loose powder which has slightly yellow undertones, because yellow cancels out the darkness and it brightens up the face. I'm going to show you how to use a yellow powder to do reverse contouring. So to do reverse contouring, best is to use a sponge, because sponge presses the powder and you can control the application. With a brush you cannot control the application, which is another thing. So I'm taking the loose powder on my sponge. You have to make sure that you have a lot of product there. Like this. Going to repeat the same step on the other eye, under the other eye. Like this. Taking a bit of loose powder on the sponge and applying it right below the bronzer. So the idea is to apply it right below this line. So that your face looks more contoured and chiseled. And then a little bit in the center of your face, a little bit here. You might feel like a crazy person sitting there with so much powder on your face, but let it sit on your face for good 2-3 minutes at least. If you have dry skin, do not put it more than like 2-3 minutes, but if you have oily skin, you can keep it on for a little longer time. So we'll wait for 2-3 minutes. So now I'm going to dust off the excess powder, because the powder has been sitting on my face for good 5 minutes. This is how my face looks after my contouring is done. I have applied a bit of lipstick and done my eyebrows, and you can see the face looks highlighted, but it's not looking too dramatic. It's easy and it's doable. Like even if you are not big into contouring, you can always do reverse contouring. It's easier, much easier. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, do not forget to subscribe to Big Basket channel, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then.